Hey, what's going on everyone? Your boy Kills here. I'm doing a PC build for one of my Marines in the shop. This is my first ever PC build I've done with someone else's PC parts. He gave me a budget of $1,600 to include a monitor, and I gave him $1,600 to include a monitor. So my main focus was, for the most part, was GPU and CPU, which you'll see here. So it'll be an unboxing slash time-lapse video. Let's go. Live, baby, yeah. To start off this build, I pretty much went with, I'm going to start with the GPU. I went with this 1070, sorry I'm kind of sick, the GTX 1070. As you can see, red dog. And the reason why I went with the GTX 1070, because it's a good 1440p graphics card, and pretty much anything in 1080p it'll destroy, for the most part, and it'll last a very long time. And not too expensive either. Kinda wish I saved for this myself, but if he decides to want to upgrade to a different monitor later on, like 1440p monitor, he'll be good with this. Because the 1040p, I mean, the 1070 actually does a great job with 1040. And I went with the Asus. Not the Asus. Yeah, I went with the Asus mainly because this is the original one I was going to get before. Because it's pretty good from what I hear from reviews for the most part. Comes with the installation disc. Everyone knows what it comes with. The instructions card and some straps. This fancy box, as you can see here. And as we open the card, this was slightly used, but still in good condition. The 1070. Jet black. Basically looks like a fucking, all these jet engines and stuff. Looks pretty good to me. 1070 is where it's at, like I said, for longevity, and it's just a fucking great graphics card in general. Like I wish I would have saved up for this graphics card myself. Alright, move on to the next one. The next item that I have. Let me put this back inside this case actually. Next I have inside the box. Well, not the box, but the next I have is some basic DDR4 RAM. I didn't want to go 8 gigabytes of RAM, I wanted to at least start them off with 16. So I went with the Poetics Sports, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 2400 megahertz. Not really bad to start off with gigabytes and 2400 megahertz. If you're doing just strictly gaming, there's like really no big difference when it comes to 2400 to like 3200 really. But I went with these because they're pretty cheap, and hey, they were like 60 bucks each, so why not? Upside down. Alright, next. Of course I had to go with the Windows 10. Not really that important, but this one actually comes with a USB device to where I can just stick it into the computer here and I can boot it from the USB, which is like 4 gigabytes. And I get to select which device I get to put it inside of, like basically solid state drive boot device. So that'll come in handy. That's it besides box number 1. To start them off good, I went with the scan disk, solid state drive. 120 gigabytes. I'm going to try to put his operating system on here, as well as his game that he wants to play the most, Counter-Strike, on here as well, and some other few games. A solid state drive, it running from this will make it boot up faster, so you can have his operating system and Counter-Strike and whatever games he has on here, like his best games, and then put it on the other hard disk drive. I can't even talk because I'm kind of sick, like I say. Yeah, so that's the memory. And then we have, now you know with the 1070 with GPU, the Ryzen 5 1600. Now, the reason why I went with a Ryzen 5 1600, one, it comes with the Wraith cooler, and two, if you're not really focusing much on video editing, there's no point of going with a 1700. This one is already good enough for where it's at. It's 16 cores, 12 threads. This is good enough for just strictly gaming, and it has a base clock of 3.2 gigahertz and 3.6 precision boost. So this is pretty good for gaming itself. I could have went with Intel, but this had a better price, and at the pricing that all the Ryzen series CPUs are going at right now, definitely a good buy, especially if it was on sale too, so can't beat that. So there you go, Ryzen 5 1600. The next piece is going with the hard disk drive. Moments like this, I need my knife, but I use a flathead. This is a Seagate 3 terabyte Barracuda. Hard disk drives aren't really that spectacular, but this was a good price. I figured to go used with this because it was about $20–25 off, and it was used slash brand new from Amazon. So went with it. Looks good, and it looks real good in condition, and it's 3 terabytes. Can't beat that. All right, I'll do this monster of a case later. And now I'm gonna go with the power supply, one of the other things that is important. So with him, I went off with a 650 watt power supply, because if he wants to do upgrades later for like motherboard or anything he wants to do, like overclocking, or maybe he wants to do SLI or something like that, 650 watts is good enough. If not a little bit more, he'll probably want to get some more if he wants to go SLI, but there's really no point. But 650 watts is good enough for it, considering what's going inside the system here. I can't really talk. It's really annoying. But yeah, this comes with a 5-year warranty, and the efficiency rating is 80%, which is pretty good. I don't remember if this is fully modular, or I think this is fully modular. Yeah. Or semi. I think this is semi-modular. Yep, semi-modular 650. Wow, holy shit. Power supply. motherboard. And the motherboard I went with is the Asus Prime B350 Plus, because he doesn't really plan on doing anything major with the system in the first place. So I gave him just a somewhat mid-level motherboard to go with. Still has somewhat of some LEDs. Yeah, it's pretty basic because he doesn't plan on doing much with it besides playing Counter-Strike. So, went with the Asus Prime. And it was actually on sale as well, as you can see here. I know he wanted to have the red theme with it, and he got the red theme with it. It's still pretty sexy looking. I like it. And then I have the tower right here, which is by Thermal Tape. It's a good tower just to start off with. And it has acrylic window right here too. So it makes it fucking awesome. As you can see here. Acrylic. Even has nice adjustable screws that you can just take right off, simple and fast. Voila. It seems like it comes with one fan. At least it has the hard drive brackets. And it has one fan, looks like it's RGB. But there's only one. Nope, there's two. There's 1, 2. Total of 3 fans on the inside. Yeah, like I'm saying. Yeah, and the case that he's going with right now. Alright, now that I've shown everything for the build, this is the unboxing portion, so thank you all for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. The links will be down below for the parts that I chose for this build. And, yeah, stand by for the time-lapse video, which I'm going to do here shortly. And yeah, if you want me to build, or if you have any suggestions, or would like me to make a PC build for you, let me know. I'm going to use PC Part Picker. And yeah, we can go from there. It's not really that hard to build a PC, honestly, what most people think. It's fucking simple. It just takes a while. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and nerd on. Time-lapse time.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please like if you enjoyed the video, share, and subscribe. Remember everyone always, nerd on.